All right. Go ahead and all right. Go ahead and get today's watch list covered. Let me adjust my mic. All right, guys, let's go ahead and cover our watch list. Right now, we have around 8 on our watch list for today. Now, we are going to eliminate some of the noise and go ahead and kind of identify what's going on. So, we have Benzinga's pros. Excuse me. We have IMPP gapping up 25%. With a 12.5 million in float. Now the volume is not there. The volume is like less than a 1/3, less than half of the normal daily volume. So this is definitely one that we're going to watch, but I'm not a huge fan of at the moment. We have CTK, no news. Relative volume is is a 3x relative volume, a 60 million in float. That is good, but with no news. We have BORR. BORR is gapping up from $2 213 to 250, gapping up around 20%. Now, Board Drilling Limited changes the board of directors, so all they have is change of board of directors. Now that's news, but that's not great news. So I'm not going to be super bullish on this. We have INDO as well, a previous runner, no news today. But it is gapping up, and I don't really see it at the moment on the scanners, so it is low. We have SOFI. SOFI closed at 11.26, chilling at 13 right now. We're up 15%. Why are we up? Neutral SOFI lowers price target to 15.5. Lower, that's not good. Lowers price target share trading higher for the company were better than expected Q4 earnings. So they had better earnings, and they also lowered their price target to 15.5. That means we're not going to buy SOFI over 15.5. Now, SOFI, I'm not already a huge fan. We don't see huge moves in a day. I mean, sometimes we do, but this is definitely on the back burner. We have XCUR, very, very choppy, no news. XCUR is currently gapping up around 13%. I don't see any news. I'm actually going to delete this from the watch list because we got killed 1, 2, 3, 4 different times. So we also have MOHO, no news as well. MOHO though does have like almost a 30x relative volume, maybe a 10x. What is a 10x? 4.x, so yeah, around a 20x, maybe a little bit more relative volume. So that's very, very good, but there's no news. What's going on with MOHO? We'll have to see if this can continue to hold the hype. We also have GHSI. They announced a 11 million public offering like a week and a half ago, but we don't have any news. So that's not good. Really, our top stocks to watch are going to be MOHO, IMPP. Guys, we're really going to be sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity for the whole. Just see what is going to take the volume, what's going to take the traders. So right now, we are just going to be very, very disciplined, very patient, and waiting for a good opportunity. There's no point to take a trade if we're not confident in it. If we're not confident in the trade, why do we take the trade? No point. How does the news look? All right. So maybe if we did the news, I mean, I wouldn't mind the news. Yes, I don't really see any news at the moment. And we are really just going to sit, again, sitting on our hands, waiting for a good opportunity. Trading is 90% of you just sitting on your hands. Save workspace as day trading. Boom. All right. MOHO is definitely one that we're going to keep on watch. Probably one of the top stocks to watch, in my opinion. Let's go ahead and try to identify the noise. What's going on? Again, we're going to wait until the right opportunity. We have 20 minutes left till market to open. We're going to sit on our hands, wait for the actual confirmation. Now we're starting to get really high volume. We're starting to get a nice bounce from GHSI, potentially. Maybe not a nice bounce, but maybe a nice bullish indicator, potentially. We have very light volume on this spread. This might be a good time to buy, but again, I'm not going to be buying right now at this moment. I do like MOHO. It is a big gainer. It's at 50%. It's at 50 cents now. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes of everyone. Oh, we're at 800 likes. Thank you, Devin. Thank you. I appreciate it, guys. Let's try to get to 1,000 likes. We have a rip and fall. GWN. What's going on with JWN? Excuse me. JWN is falling now. We gapped up though. Price target of 29, hit that, and then now we're back below. I don't like JWN at all. GHSI, nothing. I mean, I do like IMPP. IMPP is something that I actually do like. I'm not liking CTK. CTK is looking a little with no news. We also have CTK with higher volume or higher float with a good amount of volume. So we're really just waiting for a good opportunity. Now, right now when we have a watch list that's pretty large, I'm usually not going to trade anything that has a medium float. I like to trade stocks that have less than a 30 million in float because they can move quick and I can actually make some money. Thank you guys for 1,000 likes. I appreciate it. Also, come over to the YouTube. You can see my screen much better. We can trade. And yeah, I'll be able to read and see your comments much more, answer any questions that you guys have, and really just kind of dive in because it's hard to see. You can't see my screen, what I'm talking about. Good morning. Thank you for stopping in. How are you doing? Thank you. I'm doing wonderful today. We have a lot to cover on our watch list, and we are just going to be sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Again, it's okay not to make a trade if you don't see it. It's okay. You would rather not lose any money than make money, than make a losing trade. Good morning. Thank you guys for stopping in. Right now, we aren't really watching anything. Let's go ahead and cover the SPY. What's going on with the SPY? We can see on the daily we have we had a nice bullish, really high demand. We're in the really strong demand zone. I'm not really liking this. We have pretty high volume on this move lower. I honestly think the SPY has room lower. We are gapping up just slightly for the SPY, but I think we have more room lower for the SPY today. IMPP, CTK. Again, nothing's really popping off how I want to see it. So right now we are sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Thank you guys for stopping in. Let me know any questions you guys have. I'll answer everything to the best of my ability. Morning. Thank you for the follow. We have 37 people. Let's try to get to 2,000 likes. I know we can do it. And thank you. Now, right now, guys, I don't see anything pre-market. We might be having a trade on INDO coming up with a nice cup and handle. I don't like the cup and handle as much because we actually did break that previous pre-market high and got rejected. Now we're pulling back slightly with decreasing volume. So I do not like that for the cup and handle. It's not really a cup and handle. I just don't like it in general. And plus it's pre-market. It has a good amount of volume, but I'm really not gonna take it. And we have MOHO is the biggest gainer today, closing at 26%, now chilling at 50 cents. So almost 100% increase. Now it's actually up 108%, but it has no news. But the relative volume is there. Huge relative volume. Now, you could have got that with yesterday. We had stupid high relative volume. There it is. The more monomers, the less they know. Hey, it's all. I have more monitors because it's easier. Oh, we have 96 people in here. Thank you. I actually have more monitors so I can see more and kind of educate myself more and be quicker. Tell us about Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. What's going on? Not really seeing anything come up on a trade. Again, you could. I'm not a swing trader. I'm a day trader. I wouldn't be day trading Tesla. So I'm not. I mean, yeah, we might. I think we do have room lower, maybe possibly for a higher low. We're sitting right at the 200-day moving average or SMA. We are above it. Let's see if we can hold it, maybe for a possible higher low with the break of the downtrend. Maybe room back up to 900, potentially 950, potentially even 960, where the 50 SMA is. So right now, I'm not a huge fan of Tesla, and I'm more of a trader, day trader that trades penny stocks that have a catalyst. So right now, that is not my expertise, and that's not what I do. So IMPP, guys, I'm not liking anything. We're sitting on our hands, waiting for a good opportunity. We might have a GHSI getting ready to set up for a downtrend break, but I am going to wait a little bit longer to see what develops. Now, I'm not a huge fan of anything, so I'm not going to take anything right at open. I'm not looking to take a nice washout long. I mean, I might be looking for a nice washout long on MOHO, but I'm not really going to take it. It's going to be very quick, very fast. But because there is no news, I want to get in and out really quick. XRP. I don't like investing in cryptocurrencies that are trying to compete with the U.S. dollar. I don't want to take that risk because the U.S. government will always win, no matter what. They're going to find a way to win. I do have a bag of XRP. My first entry for XRP was like 20 something. I sold a lot of it, and then I still have I think I only have 4. That's it. I have a moon bag. Opportunity cost was way too much for me to handle. I did not want to hold it, even though it's going to be basically a stable coin at this point. So, I like VXV and QNT much more. Now we have again, I'm not liking anything. I think our top 3 stocks to watch are going to be IMPP, MOHO, and GHSI. I like the very light volume on the pullback from IMPP. Let's go ahead and update our load symbols still, and then today's watch list. All right, yeah. So IMPP, I'm liking it. I'm not a huge fan of it. We're not getting a lot of bullish pressure here, but we are just sitting on our hands. We do have MOHO and GHSI. Again, those are our top 3 stocks to watch, and we have back burners for CTK, as well as BORO, as well as INDO, as well as SOFI. So we have 3 stocks that we're keeping our eyes on: IMPP, MOHO, and GHSI. Those are our top 3 stocks to watch. UPST thoughts. UPST, pretty, I mean, I'm not really liking it. This is very choppy price action. I'm not seeing any one of my trading strategies in here, so I'm not going to be looking to touch it. And I'm not going to comment on any stocks that I don't really have my own strategy, where it doesn't fit my own strategy, because that's what I practice. That's what I do. So I'm not going to try to bullshit and say something that I really don't want to say. Rivian. Go and look at Rivian. Rivian is at 61 from the dump at, oh man, 61. Very choppy. I'm not a huge fan of this price action at all. Maybe we had a nice double bottom, a nice close above 71 would be a good confirmation that we are bullish. A close above 71 could send us all the way back up to 90 for Rivian. Yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping in. Again, we're sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Trading is 90% of you being patient, and 90% of it is emotions. So I'm not going to just make a trade because I feel like I need a trade. I'm going to make a trade when I see the trade develop. And we have a lot of stocks on the watch list, so there's a lot of noise. There's a lot of noise, but we've already identified our top 3 stocks that we're going to be watching. So now out of those 3 stocks, we're going to be seeing what stock has the volume, what stock's absolutely ripping, and that's what we're going to be looking to trade. EEENF ripping today. That sounds like an OTC stock. Nice, nice. I don't really trade too many OTC stocks. Awesome, awesome. EEENF. Let's go and look. Let's see if I'm right. It is an OTC stock, a penny stock, ripped up. Yeah, I mean, there was a good bounce. We ripped up 10% yesterday. Or no, we actually gapped up way more. We gapped up from 03 to 04, 3 to 4, almost. That was 15 cents in one day. Well, it could very well continue. So yeah, I mean, if you have a strategy, drilling on 3.7. Ooh. We have IMPP. I'm not liking anything. Not gonna trade. I am going to delete SOFI off the watch list. I don't know. For some reason, I just have a hatred towards SOFI. Not too sure what's going on, but we have also JWN. Let's go with JWN. Oh yeah, not liking JWN at all. So we have 6 stocks on the watch list, but we are watching 3 at the moment. Oh, we have GHSI finally looking to break this downtrend. Getting a nice pop here. Oh yeah, there was a nice confirmation for an entry with a nice increasing volume with a nice break. Potentially here, that was a very quick trade. You could have made 5% there on the break. Look for a nice pullback here. I might be looking for GHSI for a nice washout again. We'll have to see what happens. Maybe back up to we have a gap to fill up at 55. We have a gap to fill at 55. Yeah, 55 is a nice gap fill, and if we can see GHSI actually take the volume, we have a 10x relative volume with a low float. So something is up. If we can continue to rip, I definitely could see GHSI all the way up to 55 today. I might be looking for a nice washout and then a holding a trade for the rest of the day. Maybe keep a couple hundred shares. Looking for the nice pop. All right, all right. I'm not seeing anything at the moment. Bob Nolan. Thank you, Brody Nolan, I'm assuming. Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 1.2K likes. Let's get to 2,000. Again, guys, right now we're just sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity, not looking to take anything unnecessary. We're not going to look to take unnecessary loss. We are just going to be trading and making good decisions. We are seeing a lot of randomness. That Josh makes a good point. We are seeing a lot of randomness right now from penny stocks. We have 5 minutes left till the market to open. We're going to see what stock takes the volume, what stock takes the liquidity to make a nice trade. Now, then we have a lot of stocks, but we want to dial in on a few. We want to dial in on a few so we can actually just make the best trade that we can. Again, it's okay not to trade. We have a lot of stocks ripping, but you know, sometimes none of your strategies pop up, and that is okay. You just got to be acceptant. You got to accept that and then move on. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for the likes. We're almost at 2,000 likes. Awesome. Trading's very as always, trading's very risky. I do not suggest you copy any of the trades that I take. This is for educational purposes only. Again, so thank you. Nolan, thank you for the likes. Awesome. We have 12 people in the stream. Awesome. Again, come over to YouTube if you guys are looking to stay for a while, maybe learn, maybe trade with me. Come over to the YouTube. EENF, yeah, hey, I hope you make tons of money with EENF, but that is not I do not trade really OTC stocks like that. That's not where my, hey, Ray Dog, thank you. Hello, how you doing? Where you're from, and if there's any way that I can provide any value to any of you guys, let me know, because I will provide as much as I can. Bob Nolan, Brody, how you doing? I believe that's Brody, I'm not too sure. All right, guys, we have GHSI back up at 37. Could definitely be a choppy day until we hear what he says. Yes, indeed. All right. 3 minutes left till market open. We're sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Waiting for volume. Me neither. Hello. Oh, you don't. Thank you for likes. Oh my gosh, we're already at 2.5 thousand likes. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, I mean, I hope you make a ton of money with E. But I don't think I'm going to trade. I have my scanners that are designed for my strategies. So I trade whatever pops up on those. And you guys can get access to those with the Alpha Day. They come free with the Alpha Day Trading membership, originally $2,400 a year. Are you in Forex? No, I'm not in Forex. I trade equities or stocks. I invest in crypto. All right. 1 minute, 55 seconds. Woo! All right. Can I get a good morning from you guys over on TikTok and a good morning from you guys over on YouTube? Opinion on FUBO going back up to 30. FU back up to 30. Oh man. I'm not gonna say that. No idea. There's no indication that we could, but if we actually do come up to around 12 bucks, find resistance, pull back and hold $9, maybe $8, we could have a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. That could actually send us back up to around 16 bucks, potentially $16.50 for FUBO. So right now there's no indication to me that's saying that it's going to go back up to 30. Oh, we also have MOHO ripping. I might be looking for a nice washout on MUHO. Might be looking for a nice quick washout here. Here we go. This is going to be a very risky trade. Here we go. Let's see if MOHO can get the nice washout long. Here we go, guys. Maybe a nice quick one and done trade. Let's see what happens here. I want to see this come down in some resistance here, or some support. Oh, I missed it. It's all good, though. That was a quick trade. Wasn't able to capitalize on it. I could have. I should have. Watch out for the pop over 50. Watch out for the pop over 50 cents. You don't have to trade today. It's okay if you don't have to. IMPP. All right, guys. MOHO, maybe looking for a nice pop. We're having some resistance popping over 50. Popping over 50 cents. GHSI is also ripping now. Decreasing volume, guys. We're only 1 minute in. It's okay not to trade. MOHO, guys. Boom. Absolutely ripping. That would have been a perfect washout long strategy. Perfect. Should have taken it, but wasn't able to capitalize on it. Hull levels at 65. This washout long would have been perfect, but I was too scared and wasn't hesitant, wasn't looking to take it. Again, I wouldn't have gotten out. I mean, that's 21% right there. Guys, we have to rip 10 more cents. Let's look for a nice pullback here. Let's look for a nice flag. I know you want to continue to pull back here. I know you don't want to continue to move. This is our top stock to watch. This is a high volume. Don't want to catch a falling knife. Oh, nice rug pull. All right, we want 5 bars to the right. Apply. Okay, still light volume. What indicator? Oh, here we go. You have a real account? This is a real account. Yes, it is a real account. What indicators do you suggest? VWAP, moving averages. You got to pick for what time frame. I use the 9 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 SMA, 200 SMA, and I have RSI, but I don't really look at it. All right, we're getting a nice pop here. Maybe look for a nice pennant here. Maybe look for a nice pennant. Stops have to be at 51, so you're risking around 5 cents. Too much for me to risk. You're risking 51. There it is. Got in at the bid low. Oh. Light volume. Let's see some buyers start to come in. Only winning with half my position, not even half, a third. I want to see buyers start to take this. We could have a flag here. I got filled at 53. Let's see it. This is a little too choppy for me. I want to see a pop. Yeah, not liking it at all. Not liking it at all. I want to see a nice pop. If this is going to close, yep, it's going to close. Want to see a pop, and I'm going to look to close. I don't like it. No, I didn't want to sell, but it's all good. All good. I sold. It looks like we're going to break lower. Took a small loss there. Took a small loss there. Nothing crazy. Wanted to anticipate the trade. And I shouldn't have taken it, but we do have decreasing volume. This wasn't as strong as, again, I mean, I got filled a little bit too late. I mean, we'll have to see if we break lower. Let's go and jump over to IMPP here. We have INDO as well. Ripping, not really ripping, but it is okay. It's kind of moving. Not liking this really high volume doji candle. Look like we're coming into a lot of sellers. IMPP here. All levels at 225. We have decreasing volume on INPO. This is not the best bull flag. I don't like INDO now with the high volume doji candle. Man, MOHO absolutely got rugged. Okay, guys, we're going to be sitting waiting for a good opportunity. Right now, I'm down around 24 bucks in the day. Nothing crazy. Can you repeat that? Yes, sorry. So I use VWAP, 9 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 SMA, 200 SMA, RSI, and volume in support and resistance. And obviously the level 2 as well. Thank you. We have 4.3 thousand likes. Thank you guys so much. Right now we have IMPP is probably its top stock to watch in my opinion now. I'm risking 3 cents now. Nope, I missed the entry. Missed the entry. That's unfortunate. I missed the entry. That is very unfortunate. Five seconds left on this candle. Here we go. IMPP starting to rip. Over 2, we're going to get some volume. It's a natural psychological resistance. And there's 204. 205. There would have been a nice 10 cents pop. IMPP is my top stock to watch. Thank you for the follow. Damn, bro, slipped up. Yep. Sorry. If yeah, I do use. I'm confused. Slipped up. What do you mean? We have high volume now in this candle. Lower spread. This is looking like a more bearish sign to me. Guys, right now it looks like we're just getting killed. ORGO. I'm going to delete CTK off the watch list. IMPP over 8. Let's see if 208. Let's see if we can break 208. 208. We have some buy. We have some selling wall. Let's see if we can take that. Let's see if we can take 208 selling wall away. Looks like we're about. If we can start to take out those sellers, it looks like we're about to pop. 208. There's that seller. Boom. It looked 3, 2, 1, and pop. Nope. Did not get the pop, but it looks like it's about to. Let's see. Back up to 209, 210, 211. Thoughts on defensive military weapon stock? I'm not that kind of trader. I'm a day trader that trades penny stocks or stocks that have a catalyst. So if one of those stocks are moving and they pop up my scanners, then I'll take it. I want to see a higher low here. I don't like this trend. This trend looks weak. See if I can get in on the bid. Let's see a nice break. Maybe back up, roomed up to 36 potentially. I'm risking too much. I would be risking around a 1 cent. I don't like this increasing volume to the downside. Let's see if I can get filled at the bid. No, I bought way too early there. I bought higher than I should have, but I only went in with around half my position. Looking for a nice break for CTK. Looking for a nice break for CTK. Increasing volume on this low. Want to see a pullback back up to 35 potentially. Want to see a pullback up to 35. I got in at 31. Nice higher low here. Looking for a nice quick pop. Here we go, here we go. No one wants to, I'm not liking the buying price. We have decreasing volume. I want to see pop back up to 33. Scaled in again with another 1,000 shares. I need this to pop. I need this to pop. I have a limit order at this level, looking to scale in more with around 3,000. And as soon as I get filled, I'm going to move my stops to break even Let's see it pop. Let's see a pop here. I want to see this pop. I have a limit order in at the break. Let's see it crack here. Let's see it crack above and continue. I want to see it up to 32. Scaled in more there. Ooh! Let's see it continue to rip here. Get up more. Come on. I know you want to continue to rip. I sold a little too early there. I sold 2,000 shares too early. Pop up again. There, I just sold there. I took a loss. I didn't take a loss there. That trade, I just didn't want to hold it. I didn't like it. This was just not, guys, that just wasn't taking good. We have IMPP ripping now. Guys, took a small loss today on MOHO. We have CTK. I was looking for a nice break with a higher low, but we just weren't getting the movement that I wanted. So I probably should have held a little bit longer. How you doing? How you doing? Thank you. We have 5,000 likes. Thank you guys. Again, today I'm down 1549. Took a small loss, guys, when the losses are fine. But it looks like we're about to continue to break higher. I probably sold a little too early, but I wasn't getting the buying pressure that I wanted, so I just wanted to take my profits. And the profits were small, but all right, all right. I was looking for the break, but I just wasn't able to capitalize on it. Yeah, I wasn't willing to risk that either, but we have CTK looking like it's going to just die off. I mean, I'm not a fan of it. Yep, there it is. There's the dump. Glad I took that out. I missed that opportunity there. There's the nice double bottom. Pull back just a little bit more. I missed the entry at the very bottom. I'm in with 500 shares at 29 cents. All right. Let's see if we can get a nice pop here. Let's see a nice pop. Woo! Gonna set this there. Hopefully we'll get a nice pop back up. I'm over trading, I believe, but I am in this trade, so I'm gonna manage it. Didn't get filled. I only got filled with 200.